What a smart rapper. Yesterday somebody actually reached out to me and asked me, well, what about the corners? What about what goes in the corners for the acoustic treatment? Because a lot of times I kept talking about just the acoustic foam that goes straight onto the walls. But today I actually want to teach you and tell you why the corners are just as important, if not even more important, than just having the acoustic foam on the walls. So I'm going to teach you guys about that really quick, super easy, super quick video. You're about to get smarter. I'm Rob Level, this is smartrapper.com, and you're going to get smarter right after the intro. Okay, this is actually a good video that I think that everybody needs to know. I'm going to talk just a tiny bit about how sound actually works. When you think about sound, how it goes out into a room and bounces all over the place, well, where's it going to bounce the most, right? It's going to bounce the most when it hits into a corner, when it hits into a corner slot, right? When it goes into this corner, it hits this wall, then hits this wall, then hits this wall, and it keeps bouncing, right? Because when it goes out, it bounces. It's gonna bounce off this wall, and then it's gonna slowly disperse, and then slowly hit that wall. But when it's in a corner, it's so close to each other, the sound just bouncing off of each other. Or especially when it's in a corner up there, it's just it's just bouncing around. And if you go up here, look at these real quick. See these things right here? How I have the bass. These are bass traps. Okay, they disperse, so when anything goes into the corner, it stops it from being able to bounce around in the corner and create more reverb in the room than is necessary at all to go into your recording. So having bass traps is damn near essential. It's just as important. I'm wondering if I would rather have the bass traps and these in the corners as opposed to actually the acoustic treatment in the room. I think they're just as important, and it's not like they're like way more expensive or anything like that. But I mean, as you can see, I mean, I have packs and packs of these unused because I wanted to make sure I had enough of these. But these right here are column ones. You put these right on the walls the same way that you would the other ones. But these are, how much are these? So a 4-pack of these is only $22 on it. So a 4-pack of these is only $22 on Amazon. What you can do is you could probably buy like 2 sets of these and just put, you know, stack them on top of the other. Just 2 of them in each corner would be great. Now these ones right here, which ones are these ones? Let me check on these ones I got right here. These ones are, those ones that are in the corner that you guys saw, those big thick ones, those are $27 for 4 of those. Which is fine, because if you want to take those and really just put 1 in each corner and then put 2 of these underneath it, that is going to help your room, the sound in your room for when you're recording. It's going to help drastically. Like, there's a major difference between not having them and having them. Again, that's because all the sound's bouncing around like right there. You really want to help diffuse those corners as much as you possibly can. All right, so I'll put links below for you to go ahead and grab these if you want to get these. And I mean, well, she's on that side with the camera, but you see here, obviously I purchased these because it says it on Amazon. You purchased these last night, Because yeah, I have them all around my room. Obviously I believe in them. I never try to get you guys to get your hands on anything that I don't believe that actually works, you know. But having bass straps, like go ahead and Google bass straps and look up some videos on bass straps. You're gonna see how they're massively talked about inside of the audio engineering community. Everybody has bass straps, okay? All right, now it's time for Word of the Day.
I got this right here, man. It's time for Word of the Day. New words you can say, new words for your rhymes and for your wordplay. By the time you leave this video, you'll be smarter than you was before. This is so stupid. What's up, y'all? Time for another Word of the Day. Today's Word of the Day is vindicate. It's to set yourself free from blame, from accusation. You can be vindicated when there's evidence in a court, or you can be vindicated if you do something that makes you feel better about a situation.
All right, don't forget the links are gonna be below for these. You guys can grab those. I'm Rob Level, this is smartrapper.com. We are growing like crazy. I think we're growing like 10,000 subscribers a month now. Killer. I did the math yesterday. 270 new subscribers a day. That's a lot of people. Welcome all you new smart rappers, everybody that keeps coming in and watching all these videos. This is amazing. Thank you so much for being a part of this this community and this group and this team and this gang, depending on the type of mood we're in. That's how we classify ourselves, right? Go ahead, hit me with a like, hit me with a comment. Let me see your 4 bars below for the day. And if you already have bass straps, let everybody else know how much these have really helped you in your home studio, okay? And then go ahead and check out these other videos and hit that subscribe button too. And when you do, hit the little bell, because it's gonna notify you every time I release a new video, which is every day, so you can become a smarter rapper. As usual, subscribe. The channel buttons are right here. Okay, I got 2 channels. I also have a new show coming. Don't forget to check out my lyrics video course too. Dropped that yesterday. And people are going crazy over it. It's gonna be a crazy good course along with the video course. So go ahead and check out these videos.